Kids, kumusta kayo? Uy, malapit na ang pasukan. Mag-review naman tayo kahit saglit lang. Okay, our topic is about what is a sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that gives a complete thought or idea. And a sentence begins with a capital or big letter. And a sentence also has two parts. What are the two parts? The subject and the predicate. Okay, for example, Anna goes to school early. Anna is the subject, while goes to school early is the predicate. The subject tells about whom or what, and the predicate tells about the subject. What did Anna do? Anna goes to school early. Who goes to school early? Is Anna. Okay, that's it, kids. Thank you for watching.